traders, and welcome to the companion piece to my last video on Pump.Fun. We've been doing a lot of talking in Discord, and one of the members in our Discord pointed me toward Photon. This platform is so cool, and it really is a better way for you to use and analyze coins on Pump.Fun. With that being said, if you want to be in our Discord community, it is super cheap right now at only $25 a month. You can cancel anytime. If you click the link in the description below, you're going to get access to a bunch of really cool stuff. Okay, let's quickly go over what Photon is. Photon has two purposes. One is to trade very quickly and use advanced orders, and the other purpose is analysis. So Pump.Fun is kind of like a 1990s layout, as you kind of see here. And there's a lot of ways that we can optimize this to trade far better. That's why I want to bring you over to MemeScope. What is MemeScope? What MemeScope is it looks at Pump.Fun. I currently have the default filter, which is only Pump.Fun. I wouldn't look at this guy, just look at Pump. Now, with these three categories of Pump.Fun, if you've used this platform before, then what I'm going to tell you will make sense. Newly created is just exactly what it sounds like. It is basically coins that have been created immediately, and it's going to be actually probably even faster than going to bump order or trying to get the fastest one right here. This is probably going to be a lot faster. You can see 1 second go, 2 second go, just how quick some of these coins are being created. About to graduate is pretty cool. These are coins that are about to hit 100% on the curve. So I want to show you guys exactly what this means. So if we look at Tony, this one right here, essentially what this means, this one has gone up a lot, but essentially what this means, if we go over to Pump.Fun right here, we can see that this is actually pretty close to hitting 100%. For those that don't know, when this hits 100% on Pump.Fun, it gets deposited into Radium. So as you can see here, it's be put into Radium, and then it can be traded on Radium. So it would basically be able to be traded on Pump.Fun and be able to be traded on Radium, which is pretty neat. So this is a way that you are able to trade coins that are about to be traded on Radium. Now, there are a lot of other cool features as well. New, just remember, these are ones that are about to hit Radium, about to hit that 100%. And then these are coins that have already hit 100% and have already kind of taken off. The other thing that I want to point you toward is statistics. So this will show you just a quick statistics of this, and I just want to walk you through what each of these statistics mean. Obviously, this is just how long it's been alive, 5 hours, 43 minutes. Top 10 holder percentage. So if all the holders, how many of the tokens are held in the top 10? You can see that's kind of low at 26. And then let me go here. DH. So how much is the developer holding? So sometimes it can be very risky if the developer is holding 67% of the token. That's not really an ideal situation. Here, he's only holding 4%. That's not much. 199 traders or holders. As you can see, volume and market cap should be pretty straightforward for these coins. These are very helpful statistics as well. So you can see Buffcat has been graduated for 14 minutes. What that means is that it's been on Radium for about 14 minutes. Now, when I say been on Radium, that means that it has traded, basically gotten a market cap large enough to be traded on Radium. Okay, so if we go over to Radium, right here, you can see this is how you get here. We can see the pool right here. I just want to click on that, and then you can see the coins right there, right? So there it is. So you can get coins that have been just created. Now, one feature of this that I think is by far the coolest, and when I was looking for video ideas, I knew that this feature was going to be the coolest. How fast you can trade. So I have a quick buy feature on. So let's put this to 0.03 Solana. This means that the very second I click this right here, it will buy it immediately. So I want to show you guys just how fast this platform is. It's kind of insane. I want to show you guys just how fast this is. Okay, so let's do this one. A transaction sent, it already bought. It buys that quickly. It buys within a second. So I bought gold. I mean, I don't know if it's going to do well, but let's go click on the coin and go take a look. This, again, isn't for me to make money. It's just to kind of show you what's happening. Oh, yep, I'm up money. So you can see that I bought at 7.4. Also, Photon even shows you the average price that you get, as you can see right here. So I am up money because I bought at 74 and it's trading higher than 74. So you can see show order lines. You can see where my order is. Now, so many other cool things that you can do in this platform. It's really neat. You can sell immediately. I can auto sell if I want to have a stop loss or take profit, which is really, really, really cool. So, you can see all of that here. Other things that you can see are, of course, buys versus sells. How many people have bought, how many people have sold. It's close to 50-50 with, of course, a little bit more buying. How many people have bought versus how many people have sold versus, these are transactions, these are people. Now, another thing that I want to point you toward is these tabs right here, because this is also going to probably give you some good insight. So you can see people who have made the most money. You can see all of these different wallets who have been categorized. So this is the developer, as you can see right here, and you can see that he is currently up that amount of money. You can see that there are 46 holders. You can see how much, what percent different people own. Bubble maps, you can see that. And then, of course, you can also see limit orders, DC8, and stuff like that as well. Okay, so if we go here, if I wanted to put some limit orders out, I could. And yeah, so you can see this is kind of actually taken off, and I love it. It's kind of taken off. So if I wanted to sell immediately, just, get out of it right now, I would hit initial, and I would hit quick sell. Look at that, done. It already sold. So it really is, that fast, as you can see right there. So you can sell just very, very, very quickly. I don't think I sold everything though, because I don't think I sold. Yeah, so I still do have some remaining. I'm up money. I was like, wait, why didn't I sell everything? So I think you have to hit 100% actually. Yes, you have to hit 100%. I'm actually glad I didn't sell everything yet, because I'm gonna make more money now. Yep, and I sold everything. And here you go. So we can see that we sold all of that, and I made money. So you will notice, did I sell everything? But yeah, I'm pretty sure I did make money from this though. I think it just has to update. Sell now. Yeah, you don't have tokens to sell. Yeah, it's fine. But yeah, we were able to buy basically all the way down here and sell higher, essentially. So this is one way that you can, invested remaining. If I refresh this page, it should say it. Yeah. It actually looks like I might have, for some reason, lost 15%, but that might have been due to fees. I think what's happening here is that this did go up, but the fees are quite high. So it might be better to use a larger size, because then the fees won't take away from your profit as much. I made money unrealized, but because the fees are so, high, or they're a few dollars, but if you're trading with only 0.03 Solana, it's going to be a lot higher. So I think I should probably put this up to like 0.007 or something like that. But that's one feature that you can do just to show you it. Obviously, you shouldn't do this on every single coin. That's just too risky. I mean, if you want to sprinkle 0.01 Solana into every single coin, you can, but that doesn't really seem like the greatest idea ever. So other things that you can do as well, if you don't want to do meme scope, you can also look at trending. We can see, Zinda Solana created here, and it's been doing quite well. So if I click on this, we could trade this if we would want to by quick buying, or also buy the dip. Now, buy the dip is exactly what it sounds like. It is essentially if price goes to a certain market cap or price to Solana, then you buy. And you can have a little bit more in here if you want. So this kind of thing is just a really, really, really cool tool. And I'm so happy that we talked about it in the Discord, because there's just so many cool things that you can do. I kind of do want to buy one of these coins as well after I look for it. Another thing that I think might be a good idea is if you go to newly created, we can actually create different filters to sort for coins that are just better. So by developer holding, maybe I want that to be very, very low. So maybe I'm going to say 0 to only like 25%, because I don't want, or 20%. I'll do, 20%. That means I just do not want the developer to be holding much. So look at that. I did that, and now we can have really, really low. I can actually put that even lower. I can do developer holding to 10. So these are going to be coins where the creator of the coin just doesn't own too much. And I think that filter can be pretty good to get you some better ones. So if I want to do that really, really quickly, trade one of these, we can see some of these. Which one would I want to do just to do an example? Top 10 is already at 34%. So you can see here how many holders. I really like that. I think that the more people, the better, because that's really going to be more likely to take off. So I'm going to buy this one. This one might go well. This one might not. We'll have to see. But it seems like there's a lot of holders now. We're at 14 holders. So I do like the idea of that. And as you can see, I was able to buy in at 77. Of course, you do pay fees, but you will be able to beat these fees, the more that you the more that you wager. So if I go to holdings, another pretty cool thing is you can see the change in P&L, which is pretty addicting because what you could essentially do is, I know it's tempting to put like 0.1 Solana into every single coin you see and then just look at change in P&L and stuff. Oh, I'm doubled essentially. Let's see if I can sell from here. So I'm going to do insta sell and see if this goes through. You have insufficient Solana. Yeah, I don't think I can sell because I don't have enough Solana in my account. But if I did sell, I'd be up 128%. That is really, really, really cool. So I will be having to send more Solana to it. That's another thing that I do want to say, guys. When you use this tool, you always have to make sure that there's enough Solana in your wallet. The wallet that you're using is going to be Phantom wallet. And, this is, you can see that this is my address on Phantom wallet. Sorry, Photon. You need to use Phantom and Photon trading wallet in order to do that. So this is the tool. I find it to be very, very cool. You can look at new tools across different dexes. As you can see here, I don't like Moonshot. We're not going to look at Moonshot. I think that the best friend for you is going to be MemeScope, but do avoid the temptation to just constantly, go click, 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 because it's so fast and it's very, very addicting. And yes, I mean, you can make some money, but you need to have some ability to outsmart the market. And for filter, I think that this can be quite good. If I want a holders count at least 10, because the more people that are getting into it, the better. I can have holders at least 10, dev holding 0 to 10. I think that's a pretty good setup. You can see all of these right here. That's going to do it for today's video. I hope that this was helpful and I'm going to help you make money. If you enjoy my content, then feel free to click the link in the description below and make more money. This one's doing well, the fly. But yeah, this is just, a lot of this is just, fun. That's why it's called Pump.Fun. Don't put too much money into this, but maybe put a little bit more thought into it as well. And yeah, that's going to do it, guys. Happy trading.